Hey everyone, my name is Andrea Ansel. I'm the Director of Design at FTD. Today we'll be teaching you how to make the standard size of the Reverie bouquet, part of our holiday collection. The inspiration for this bouquet is the softness of velvet and the rich tones of reds and plums. Start by filling your clear singed vase 3/4 of the way up with room temperature water. This elegant container is part of our signature collection and a staple across many of our holiday arrangements. Begin building your base with holiday greens and eucalyptus. This design works best with a more structured green like noble fir. Next, you'll add your roses, alternating in color. It's important to remember the sweetness roses. They're included to help the eye transition between the whites and reds in this bouquet. You'll add your upright amaranthus next, making sure to leave them a little longer than anything else. Without trimming too much of the natural greens, place your hypericum berries. Then, tuck in your plum mini carnations. Follow up with the white veronica, which adds a wispy feel, almost like our bouquet is growing these beautiful arms that stretch upwards. Finish off with a couple stems of Queen Anne's lace. This flower has beautiful texture, which is why I love to introduce it into this bouquet. And you're finished, the Reverie bouquet, meant to wow your many customers this holiday season.